Today we are making this creamy and delicious shrimp and scallop Alfredo pasta. Wow, guys, look at this. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me show you how I make this beautiful dish.
Let's start by cooking our scallops until golden. Let's cook them in a single layer so that they cook even. Cook it 2 to 3 minutes on each side. The scallops are done. Let's go ahead and transfer it to this dish.
In the same cooking skillet, we're going to put half a tablespoon of oil. We're going to go ahead and cook the shrimp. Let's go ahead and separate the shrimp to make a single layer, just like we did with the scallops, because we want to make sure they all cook at the same temperature and cook even.
Let me quick tell you how I marinated the shrimp and the scallops.
Garlic pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, lemon pepper, a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it all together and cover this and put it on the side. We have here 1.5 pounds of scallops,
Which is the same amount of shrimp that we have, 1.5 pounds, and this is what I'm using, the same ingredients that I use to marinate the shrimp. Let's go back to cooking. So right now I have here 4 cups of water and I'm putting half a tablespoon of salt. This is to cook the pasta that we're going to be using.
1 pound of fettuccine pasta. We're going to cook it according to the direction on the package. Here comes the pasta. Let's just make sure that we move it so it won't stick together. Just remember to cook the pasta according to the package instruction. And once the noodles are al dente, we're going to go ahead and drain it, but I'm not going to rinse it. We let it cook for 2 more minutes. The pasta looks like it's done. It's perfect, nice, al dente, the way I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and save a cup of this water in case I need it when I start making the sauce. Let's steam the broccoli. I have 2.5 cups of water and I'm putting in 1.5 pounds of broccoli. Cut them nice and small. You don't want them too thick, but you don't want them really, really small either. So medium size. Just like that. We're going to let it boil for about 2 minutes and that would be it. We don't want to cook them too much.
To make the Alfredo sauce, we're going to start by putting into the oil half of a medium-sized red onion. Cut it nice and small. We cook the onions until they get translucent.
Guys, this is looking good. At this point is when I go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of butter. So it will melt while the onion finish cooking. That is beautiful. Once the onion get nice and golden, just wait for about 2 minutes until the sauce comes to simmer. That is looking good. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We are going to go ahead and stir it. If you have heavy cream, you don't need to do that step. You can skip the flour, but because I don't have heavy cream, I'm going to use milk. Then I wanted something to thicken it, so I use all-purpose flour. I'm going to add a cup of vegetable broth. This is optional. You can actually use the water from the pasta, but the broth has that nice flavor, so it's kind of nice. That's normal. It would thicken up like that. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 cups of milk. Make sure the milk is room temperature or warm, a little warm, okay? If it's cold, it will take longer to break through the all-purpose flour. And stir it. salt and pepper up to taste. Remember, I marinated the shrimp and the scallop with some good stuff. So even chicken bouillon, so we got plenty of flavor. Let's go ahead and move it. I'm going to be putting 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese.
At this point, let's get the heat at medium low.
We're just going to wait until it get to a low simmer. We don't want to let it cook too much. Once you see that it's going to start boiling, we're going to turn it off.
Now it's time to incorporate the pasta with the sauce.
We are going to go ahead and put the shrimp. Let's throw that nice sauce right on it. And the scallops. At this point, we can go ahead and put the broccoli. We want to leave the broccoli for last because we want to make sure that we preserve the beautiful green color.
Let's just go ahead and put it off the burner so it won't dry. Okay guys, this dish is almost ready. Look how beautiful it looks.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and serve ourselves a little pasta. Sprinkle a little extra cheese, Parmesan. Let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Haha, nice. Wow, it's so nice and creamy. It tastes so good. The Parmesan cheese on the top and the parsley, it makes a statement. Beautiful. I recommend you guys to try this dish. And if you like this recipe, I recommend you to please check the next video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless. Let's eat.